Magical moments. Do they happen inside your comfort zone or outside your comfort zone? Well, I have been asking this question for quite some time. I actually find that I create magical moments for others, and others create magical moments for me when I'm feeling at ease. And that to me is comfort. So then we have to look at what is a comfort zone. Well, often when we hear the statement, magic only happens outside of our comfort zone, that definition of comfort zone is us staying in the same pattern, in the same way that we've always done things, and we just keep doing it, and we're a bit like robotic, really. And that's the comfort. But when we step outside of that, what we're really doing is we're stretching what we are willing to be comfortable with. So stretch your comfort zone, and then you will have magical moments.